Today we're going to be making chicken mole. First you want to fill a pot with clear juice and add your white beef to the jacuzzi. Sometimes it gets boring, so add some bath toys. Toast your sesame seeds. After some time, make sure your white beef is done. Perfect. Save the beef sweat for later. Done. Get it, Karen. I think that's rice. Not sure what that is. Is that poop? Tree bark. Not sure what this does, but this is what the recipe says to do. Take your kindling and add it to a thing. Oh geez, Karen's about to spit fireballs. Shield. I don't have any dried chilies, so I'm gonna use some wet ones. Go ahead and set these on the side. You'll need these later. I don't have nuts, so I'm gonna use trail mix, some soggy chips, and some wet raisins. This is my 4-in-1 multi-tool. It mixes, mashes, smashes, and mixes. Some flakes, sesame, chilies, some sweat. This is Megan. She mixes stuff. Get it, Megan. Perfect. At this point, I don't know what to think of this, but I'm trusting the process. Some chicken sweat. Color doesn't look right, so I'm adding paprika. I don't have Mexican chocolate, so I'm going to use American.
Taste test.
Wow, it looks like the stuff I used to get at school. At least I have flavor cubes.
Yum. Chicken mole.